Hi guys, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn the English alphabets. So let's start. This is the letter A. A. Repeat after me. A. This is uppercase A. And this is lowercase a. Uppercase A, lowercase a. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. V. W. W. Pay attention here. W. Repeat after me. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z. Or you can say Z. Z. Z is in the British English and Z is in the American English. So either say Z or Z are both considered correct. So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. The letters in the black colors are called consonants. There are 21 consonants in English. The letters in the red color are vowels. There are 5 vowels in English, which are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Repeat after me. The vowels in English are 5. A, E, I, O, U. And of course the rest of the alphabets are consonants. So 21 consonants and 5 vowels. This was the first lesson of learning English. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Bye bye, until the next video.